recently added to our grain dryer family, and that's with our new mixed flow Delta dryer. With this new dryer, we knew we needed a space and more equipment in order to handle these dryers and being built. I mentioned before that our base sections are built over here on our profile line for our Deltas. However, all the mid mods, the top mods, and the peak, they're built over here on their own dedicated assembly line. We invested a lot of money and time and resources into this line to make sure that we were building up to capacity and efficiently. And some of those investments come in the fact that we had to add a new overhead crane. The reason for that is because some of these sections get fairly large. The one I'm standing in front of right now might not be that large, but they do get up to 10 feet tall and 32 feet long. That's a lot of steel. And so we needed to have the lifting capacity in order to handle that, from moving on and off of jigs, and also to move all the separate components that come together and build them all together as a single unit. Along with the overhead crane, I mentioned that we have new jigs. We designed and built these in-house. We laser leveled them, and we added 3 of them to this assembly line. The nice thing with these jigs is, again, they ensure us that we are building nice, square, true modular sections so that when they go on site, we know that there's not going to be any fit issues. The other nice thing that these jigs provide us is in the multiple numbers that we've added, we're able to have a number of different workers assembling 3 sections at one time. Where in the past, we've only had 1 jig. Now we've bumped up our capacity. We're able to get a number of people working on a number of different jigs, therefore bumping our capacity up, meeting the demand of our customers.